Hi, it's Jamie with Meadowlark Ridge Bed and Breakfast. Today we're going to be making Blackberry Scones. This was a request from Matthew, a guest that we had over the summer. Thanks for the request, Matthew. Let's start by sifting all the dry ingredients together. If you don't have a sifter, use a whisk and get as much air as you can into the flour, breaking up any large pieces. Lemon zest is optional. If you haven't already, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Make sure that you've had your butter chilling for 15 to 20 minutes before adding it to your dry ingredients. I press the butter between my fingers into the flour so that as it melts during the baking process, it creates a crispy outside to the scone. Add the buttermilk gradually as the dough forms. You can use fresh or frozen berries. I prefer to use frozen berries that I have frozen myself. Be patient when pressing down to form the dough into one piece. It's best to do this on a flat countertop. If you choose to cut these in more than 4 pieces, you may need to reduce the baking time. This is a simple vanilla icing to drizzle over the scones. Add the milk in small increments to reach the desired consistency. After the scones have cooled for 15 minutes, drizzle the icing on them. We hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel today.